guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance 550. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we cannot do this. And shout out to those other YouTubers who we've obviously influenced, because we see some pictures and they look like ours. Well, you know, I'm not going to call them out. We're just doing our thing. We'll let you do your thing, you get me? Let's go, let's get into it. And today we've got to look at the New Balance 550. We've got this in the team red colorway. Hotly in demand sneaker, if I say so myself. And we got this in the UK size 7.5. It's a European 41.5, and it's a US men's 8. Now this throws me off because, well, I guess I'm used to seeing the Amelie and Dor 550s, and they come in a, you know, a retro box. The thing about 550s is that they have blown up for the last couple of years, and I'm pretty sure it's down to Amelie and Dor. Unfortunately, we at Oneupreviewz, we weren't able to get a pair of the Amelie and Dor 550s. I've tried my best. We struck out every time, but those are so beautiful. So if anyone can point me in the direction of getting a pair, I like the green one, in a reasonable price, DM us, show us some love in the comment section below. You know, I would like a pair in a UK size 7.5, please. Regardless, we were able to cop a pair of the team red colorway. These were 160 on New Balance, so we were just able to get it from the New Balance website. And again, I just want to talk about the box. This is just a normal New Balance box at the end of the day. So I was really hoping for that basketball feel when it comes to the 550s. So for those that don't know what the 550s look like, I'm sure you've seen them. Look at that. This was your favorite Instagram bloggers' favorite sneaker. Loads of influencers they have a pair, and they don't know that this is a basketball sneaker. So back in the day when New Balance started out in the 80s, they were looking for a basketball sneaker. I'm trying to remember for the life of me a player that won the 550s, but I cannot. So if anyone can help me on the comments, let us know which basketball player signed to New Balance has worn these on court. I'm sure there is, and I'd love to know as well. I totally forgot to do my research, that's my bad. But if you guys can help us, that'll be great. So we'll start with the outsole. So you got a 550 outsole, it's non-marking sole. You've got a lot of traction patterning here. New Balance lettering at the heel. And it's loads of colors. You see that red, black, and white. Moving along on to the midsole unit. So this midsole, again, it's a rubber cup sole at the end of the day. There's not a lot of materials or technologies used, but you can see a foam on the inner, right there on the lateral side, the medial side, sorry. And if you were to look on the upper, so this upper, you've got your levers. You can see bits of textile on the tongue, but it's a very unique design. To me, it kind of looks like a mix between a Nike Dunk and a Reebok Club C85, but obviously this was built with basketball in mind. So you got, you know, the New Balance logo, the N right there. It's in the leather as well. Where on the medial side too, 550 right there on the toe. The 550, that's in red coloring as well. Toe box, lots of levers, perforations as well on the mid body of the sneaker, right there. Then on the laces, nicely padded tongue. You got a really cool design. It looks like a worm, the basketballs right there. New Balance logo as well, 550. It doesn't come in another pair of laces. No, it doesn't come in. I think I'd like to see these in red laces, but you know, maybe just get us a pair of red laces and stick them on. But it comes in white. The insole, so the insole is an all-flight insole. You know, it's the typical every well, the majority of sneakers these days have an authorized insole, and that's just a foam, typical one. You got the New Balance logo in there as well. The heel, New Balance logo in the red and black, and that rounds off this review of the sneaker. This is, at the end of the day, probably the sneaker at the minute. Everyone's trying to get a pair of 550s. They sell out relatively quickly, so if you're able to get a pair of even the peach colors, the white gray, those ones keep selling out. The team blue, obviously the Amelie D'Or. Again, guys, I love the Amelie D'Or. Teddy Santis, you did a great job, and because of guys like Teddy Santis, guys like Saleh Bembury, New Balance have found just the target market in regards to their sneakers. As I mentioned about influencers, you've seen a lot of influencers wearing this silhouette. I'm on the wave now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'd love to have a pair. Well, obviously, again, I'm gonna talk about Amelie D'Or ones, but these are so dope. Red is my favorite color, and just able to get a pair from the New Balance website as well. It's pretty easy to cop. I don't think they sold out, so check the website if you are watching this as of August. They do sell out, but we were able to still get there. Really excited to try these on, so roll that footage of me trying these 550s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. When it comes to New Balance, I myself am a UK size 7.5. These are the perfect fit for me, in my opinion. Toes are where they need to be. They look great on, guys, don't you think? Very versatile look. This is the new Nike Dunk, because a couple years ago, everyone was wearing a Nike Dunk. Now everyone's wearing a pair of New Balance 550s. So if anyone in New Balance is watching as well and they want to help the boys out here at Oneupreviewz, throw some 550s our way. I'm a size 7.5. Jeff is a size 7.5 as well, and Chris is a size 6. So keep that in consideration. You New Balance watchers, people from New Balance. I mean, you made a great sneaker. I can't believe you unlocked the vault for this one. And Teddy Santis, you're amazing. Love your designs. And big shout out to Saleh Bembury also, because I love your work. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.